For the 15th episode of Soup Sniper, we are going to North Africa to make this wonderful and simple traditional Algerian chicken soup. As every soup in this series, I'm making it for the first time. Last video was almost a month ago, so I believe I'm a bit rusty, but recipe is pretty straightforward and we should not have any trouble. Chorba Beida is a regional specialty of Algiers, the capital of Algeria. Unlike the red tomato-based chorbas found across North Africa, Beida means white in Arabic, which sets it apart from them. Chorba Beida exemplifies the Algerian refined simplicity in cooking. It relies on a small number of ingredients, but balances them with precision. It shows how Algerian cuisine can be both light and deeply flavorful. For a long time, it has been a popular dish during Ramadan. Its light yet nourishing nature makes it an ideal soup to break the fast or iftar, providing hydration and gentle nutrition after a long day of fasting. The cooking starts by heating up olive oil in a pot and frying chicken drumsticks until they become golden brown on both sides. It takes around 7 to 8 minutes depending on the heat. When the color is good, remove them and set aside for a second. Put a bit of butter in there and toss onion, carrots, celery stick and garlic inside. Fry while mixing for a few minutes. Top it off with salt, ground pepper and cinnamon. Mix well and return the drumsticks. Cover everything with water. Put a lid on and simmer for around 45 minutes. Then add chickpeas and let it cook for 15 minutes more. In the last 5 minutes of cooking, in a small bowl, mix together egg yolk and lemon juice with a fork. Add a few tablespoons of soup broth into the mix and stir until fully mixed. You do this only when you're ready to put it in a pot, as the lemon will cook the yolk, making it gelatinous. Steadily stir the mixture in a thin stream into the soup while mixing it. Add chopped parsley and leave it to simmer for 5 minutes more. Remove the chicken from the pot and flake the meat, removing bones. This part is optional, but I prefer just having chicken meat when eating, because it makes for a less messy experience. Return chicken pieces to the pot, switch off the heat and leave the soup covered for 5 minutes more. As always, thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, subscribe for more.